So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and Kimi K2.6 has dropped in. Yes, you heard it right. The same model which has been ruling the open source AI models has now released a new version, Kimi K2.6 Advanced Open Source Coding. As you can see, looking at the benchmarks, the model is just enormous. It is competing with frontier AI models that are closed source also, be it GPT 5.4. Claude Opus 4.6 or Gemini 3.1 Pro thinking high also. If you look at the benchmarks for agents also, be it visual agents, be it coding, the model looks crazingly good. Long horizon coding, Kimi K2.6 shows strong improvements in long horizon coding tasks as well. As you can see, LLM inference on M3 Max performance evolution. Multi-object performance also, the model looks quite good. Versal, kilo code, everywhere the model is just killing it. As you can see here, the model is quite better than Google and Kimi also. As you can see here, what are things it has been able to do? Aesthetically, it is able to design front-end designs with rich interaction to agent swarm, elevated, everything is just going bonkers. So first of all, let me tell you how you can use the model for free for chatting. The best open source model is now available for free for chatting. Where? On kimi.com. As you can see on my screen, you can log into Kimi and you can get the free access to Kimi K2.6. Here you can see on my right, here Kimi K2.6 Instant, Kimi K2.6 Thinking, Kimi K2.6 Agent and Agent Swarm. All four are present. So let me try out Kimi 2.6 Instant. What is the meaning of life? So I'll be asking the same question to all them and let's see how they operate. So let me hit enter. Instant is fast, as you can see. The meaning of life is one of humanity's deepest and most enduring questions. It's not that fast, to be honest. Looking at the speed, it looks okayish. It is giving certain terms. It's giving instant answers, but yes, the answer wasn't that fast. Now let me try it out with Kimi K2.6 thinking. This should be slower but a more detailed one. Let me check it out. I've shared the link in the comment section below where you can check out how to use Kimi K2.6 for free without paying a single penny also. Here you can see that the agent is now thinking and it is able to give an answer. In short, there is no single universal meaning. Philosophers, regions, and scientists have debated for millennia. The answers have completely changed. When you see when I'm using instant, the answer is quite lengthy, giving a lot of things. While when the model is thinking, the answer has changed completely. The answer is quite short and makes more sense to me. Now let me try out K2.6 agent. Let me try out whether it is able to answer for this too or not. Let me hit enter. This will take some time. I think it has started executing the task. And here you can see that's the question that has occupied philosophers post and all. So we haven't asked it to code anything, but just meaning of life. Let me try out Swarm Beta. We have access to this too. The same question, how they operate. We'll be showing you how agent and agent swarm will operate for other tasks also. So just wait for a while on this video. So for now, as you can see, except thinking, everything is very fast. I think this is looking faster than the instant model too. Here, I think they're not executing any task, they just need to output text. So I think it's quite fast. But let me ask it another question now that is more suitable for agentic behavior. Prepare PPT for just 3 slides on meaning of life. So I'm just trying of life. So I'm just trying out how agent swarm and agent differ. Let me hit enter. First of all, we're testing out agent swarm. Kimi K2.6 agent is getting tested first of all. Prepare a PPT for 3 slides on meaning of life. It's very fast as you can see. And the UI looks quite sleek to me. Generate slides.md. Prepare a PPT for just 3 slides on meaning of life. Creative mode.md, search mode.md, ppddt.md, fonts.md. It is generating reading thinking. Quite good. I'm feeling quite excited about the new model. What do you think? Because Kimi K2.5 was a huge hit if you don't know. And 2.6 looks equally promising. After the release, this release is quite major. I think recently, except Claude Opus 4.7, which was a flop for me at least, nothing else is released. So I think Kimi K2.6 is getting its due right now. As you can see, it has started creating the file. This will take a while because a lot of things are going on, but I think the output should be quite good. Creating files. And here you can see that the PPT is available now. Let me click here. The PPT is loading. Meaning of life, it has added 3 slides. Looks quite good. Looks very sleek. The meaning of life is not something you find, something you live. Pretty good. I think looks very classy. And same you can use Agent Swarm also from Kimi K2.6. So I'm not testing out the capabilities of the model that you can do, but this is how you can use the model for free. The best open source model for coding is out here and you should definitely use it. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.